In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Google Doc document with two columns. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're working on newsletters, brochures, or any document where a two-column layout could enhance readability and presentation. First, let's start by navigating to the Google Docs website. If you haven't done so already, log into your Google account, which will give you access to all your documents stored in Google Drive. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, click on the document you wish to format with two columns. If it's a new document, you can create one by clicking on the blank document icon. With your document open, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page where you'll see several menu options. You're going to look for the Format option. The Format menu holds various tools for enhancing the appearance and structure of your document. Go ahead and click on it. After selecting Format, a drop-down menu will appear, offering several different formatting options. For our purposes today, we're going to focus on the Columns option. Click on Columns, and you'll notice a few options for different column layouts. You will select the option with two columns to apply this to your document. This automatically splits the page into two separate sections where text can independently flow. This can be particularly useful for documents that require separation of ideas or information. Once your document is neatly divided into two columns, you're ready to prepare it for print. On the top right, just beside the comments and share icons, there should be a printer icon. Click this icon, or alternatively, use the shortcut Ctrl+P or Command+P on a Mac to bring up the print dialog box. Here, you can specify detailed print settings to suit your needs. At this point, you'll need to choose your print destination. This refers to the printer you want to use. If you have multiple printers connected to your network, they should all be displayed here. Pick the one you intend to use. You can also customize additional settings like the number of copies and page range. Ensure your document preview looks good and matches the format you want before proceeding. Finally, click on the Print button at the bottom of the screen to send the document to your chosen printer. Now, your two-column document will be printed precisely as formatted. I hope these steps have made the printing process efficient and easy to manage. With these instructions, you'll be able to create polished, professional-looking documents effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and happy printing!